We start cold here, always below 4 degrees. Every cut, every gram is logged. Hygiene isn't a rule, it's rhythm.
The mix isn't random. Fat, lean, spice renting exact ratios. The air itself must stay cold enough to stop change.
Each cylinder holds its own pattern. Density, moisture, and balance decide the final flame. Too loose right, it breaks. Too tight, it burns.
Before it freezes, it breathes. The meat holds water, air, and salt in balance, and that's where texture begins. Forming is all about pressure and weight. Every kebab must spin straight through it. Even a millimeter off changes the cook. Cooling must start within minutes. Warm air ruins the density. We use flow, not temperature, to set the shape. We don't freeze them solid. The surface must stay soft, alive. Cold holds the form, not the flavor.
How many more rows on this one? Just 2. Watch the crane above you. By now, it holds its shape, its air, its balance. Everything that comes next depends on this.
We roast by sight, but in here, light tells the truth. Blue flame means balance, any orange, and the air is wrong.
Every layer roasts in rhythm. We track rotation, not time. If the skin shines evenly, it's ready for rest.
People see flame, we see pressure. The air moves more than the heat. That's what cooks it right through.
Here the fire meets the cold. Steel, fat, water, everything balances at once.
Cooling is pressure reversed. Heat expands, cold contracts. The texture locks in place, layer by layer.
Clean means cold. Every surface, every drop, controlled. Even air is filtered before it touches the meat.
Packaging isn't protection, it is control. Air, pressure, and time, all sealed inside. Nothing escapes.
Dale despacio, cuidado.
Almost done wrapping this one. Bring the next pallet.
From heat to freeze, nothing changes shape. That's the process: control, repetition, and cold precision.
We slice by density, not by time. Every cut matches resistance. That's how we keep the same thickness, the same texture.
Even here, air matters. Too dry, it curls. Too wet, it sticks. We keep humidity balanced between 50 and 60%.
You can't automate touch. The machines see weight, but not texture. We check every fifth batch by hand.
We measure consistency down: color, texture, weight, humidity. Every tray tells the same story. That's quality.
Each seal traps air at 1% margin. That's precision, not pressure. The condensation is affecting the readout here. Let me clear it. We are stable at 2 degrees Celsius. Every label tells origin, humidity, batch. It's not design, it's trace.
Temperature defines safety. We seal cold, we ship cold coated. No exceptions.
The arm is spinning faster now.
Make sure the film is tight on the corners.
Each box carries the same air we breathe here. Controlled, measured, alive.
Cold doesn't pause the process. It slows, holds, and preserves balance.
The tension is consistent across the center, but slightly loose on the edge.
Acknowledged. Moving to the next pallet.
Pressure here is constant, not to compress, but to stabilize.
Check the inbound manifest for Sector Gamma authorization.
Rerouted successfully. The drone should acknowledge within parameters.
We ship frozen, but never frozen solid TAs. Texture still breathes inside.
We move the cold, not the product. Each crate keeps our rhythm intact, exact.
Every system runs in sync. Air, steel, people. It's one motion, not many.
Everything ends as it starts, in balance, in motion, inside the cold.